Hello, my name is Muhammad Arif Al-Fakhri. I am from class 2B Diploma 3 Electrical Engineering. I want to describe a tool that I often use in the workshop, namely pliers. Pliers are hand tools used for gripping, bending, cutting, crimping, and more. They consist of two metal jaws attached to handle and joined together by a pivot point. By placing the fulcrum closer to the jaws and further away from the hands of the user, the parts amplify the user's grip strength, increasing the force he or she can impart on an object. Players generally consist of five parts: two handles, pivot, and two jaws. The jaws vary widely in size, from the delicate needle nose pliers to heavy jaws capable of exerting much pressure, and shape from basic flat jaws to various specialized and often asymmetric, asymmetrical jaws configuration for specific tasks. The metal handles of pliers are often fitted with grips of older material to ensure better handling, and grips are usually insulated and additionally protect against electric shock. Pliers are used for holding or pulling out things shook as nails, or for bending or cutting wire. They are also useful for basically compressing a wide range of material. There are many kinds of pliers, including slip joint pliers, diagonal cutting pliers, round nose pliers, adjustable pliers, and crimping pliers.